jump on the floor and it's getting nasty. Yeah. He ain't keeping his hands up off my ass.
Hey Jules, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my go-to makeup look featuring all, well, mostly beauty supply store products. So if you'd like to see how I create this look, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First, I'm going to be using my Absolute New York Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Smoke. I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses HD Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to use this to conceal underneath my brows. After we have that blended in, I'm going to apply my Neutrogena sunscreen. I'm going to use my Magic Collection Primer Oil to prime my face. And then I'm going to use my Kiss New York Pro Touch Mattifying Primer in my T-zone area. For my foundation, I'm going to be using my Absolute New York 2-in-1 foundation. This is in the shade Cool Espresso. And then I'm going to blend that out with my Sigma F80 Air Flat Kabuki brush. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using the same concealer I used to conceal under my brows. I'm going to use my setting spray on my face before I blend out that concealer. I'm going to set those areas that I just highlighted with my Morphe Bacon Set Translucent Powder. For my eyes, we're going to be doing a neutral look today. I'm going to be using my Magic Collection 12 color eyeshadow palette, and this is going to be my transition color. Then I'm going to be taking that last shade that's on the first row, and that's going to be on my brow bone. In my crease area, I'm going to be using that last shade that's on the second row. And then I'm also going to use that to contour the sides of my nose. And then I'm going to reset my nose and reverse contour the sides of my nose as well. For my inner tear duct and my brow bone, I'm going to use my Liqwyd Kisses All Over Glow bronzing powder, and this is in the shade Bronze Glow. For my contour, we're just going to do a powder contour. I'm using my Kiss single eyeshadow in the shade Bow. I didn't have a beauty supply store eyeliner, but this eyeliner is only like $2 or $3 at Ulta, and it's really good. This is my Essence Super Precise eyeliner. And I also don't have any beauty supply store mascara, so we're going to be using my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, and I'm using my primer for my bottom lashes also. I'm going to be using my Sigma F10 powder brush to dust off the remaining setting powder. And to set my whole face, I'm going to use my Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony. Ruby Kisses also has a really good pressed powder. I think it's the mineral one in the shade Cognac. That is like a really good pressed powder from the beauty supply store. I'm going to use my Nicki K New York Duo Blush, and this is in the color Indigo 06. To set my brows, I'm going to be using my Kiss Eye Envy mascara in the shade Dark Brown. So I found out this is the mascara that Lyra Galore uses on her bottom lashes. So I went to go buy it and accidentally got it in Dark Brown. And ever since, I've been using this one on my eyebrows. Then I'm going to spray my face with my setting spray. I'm going to be using the same highlighter I used for my inner tear ducts and my brow bone to highlight my face. So this is a new lash adhesive that I saw while I was in a beauty supply store. I decided to try it out. But as I was applying it onto the lash, it had like a really strong smell, and I did not feel like it was safe for the eyes. I don't know, it was really weird. So to line my lips, I'm going to be using my Kiss Eye and Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in the shade Brown. These lashes are from Magic Collection. This is their Illusion Lash in style number 4. For my lips, I'm using my Ruby Kisses Forever Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Oh Boy. Then I'm going to top it off with my Kiko 3D Hydro Gloss in shade number 2. I didn't like how this looked because the lip turned out to be too cool. So I went ahead and added my Sweetie Icy Lips lip gloss in the shade Money Mommy to give it a hint of more pink to it. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for staying tuned, Jewels. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.